The Earth is humanity's oasis in the great expanse of space. Throughout time, Earth flourished and provided us with everything that could ever be needed to sustain life. So we repay our planet by giving it a disease to which we gave the harmless name of global warming. We have caused an overabundance of greenhouse gases that trap heat in our atmosphere and drastically change Earth's temperature. This puts many living things in danger. The crisis is primarily man-made, our use of fossil fuels being one of the top contributors to this problem. As we fill our atmosphere with carbon dioxide, the sea levels rise, and more severe droughts ensue. Massive storms form and create paths of destruction from us carelessly burning gasoline. The large amount of animals we use for consumer goods produce methane emissions which lead to the extinction of many different species.
According to the Environmental Defense Fund, a leading green group, 32 million acres of tropical rainforest were cut down each year between 2000 and 2009, and the pace of deforestation is only increasing unless we change the present system that rewards forestation destruction. Forest clearing will put another 200 billion tons of carbon into the atmosphere in coming decades, says EDF. Also, another major impact on the Earth's atmosphere is chemical fertilizers. At the University of California, Berkeley, chemists have found a smoking gun proving that increased fertilizer use over the past 50 years is responsible for a dramatic increase in atmospheric nitrous oxide, which is a major greenhouse gas contributing to global climate change. The new study, reported in the April issue of the Nature Geoscience Journal, uses nitrogen isotope data to identify the unmistakable fingerprint of fertilizer use in archived air samples from Antarctica and Tasmania. UC Berkeley Professor of Chemistry and of Earth and Planetary Science, Christy Boring, says, "We are not vilifying fertilizer. We can't just stop using fertilizer, but we hope this study will contribute to changes in fertilizer use and agricultural practices that will help to mitigate the release of nitrous oxide into the atmosphere."
How can we solve such a threatening issue like global warming? We simply move to Mars. Mars has an environment slightly similar to Earth. If we fix it up a little bit, we can establish the new America on a new planet. The process must start soon if some of the planet will survive. The first step in the process is collecting everyone's money. With that money and the money that our country has saved up over the years, we must build 2 massive spaceships the size of Texas. With only a week to build it based on the schedule, we must gather anyone between the ages of 10 and 40 and that are physically fit for the brutal labor. Once these behemoths are finished, we must transfer all valuable resources to build a new environment on Mars. Landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and McDonald's will also make this trip. Once landed, a team of the greatest scientists and workers will build a massive bubble in order for there to be oxygen. Those who helped to build will be left on Mars to start new lives and establish a new colony, and the spaceships will be sent back. Next comes transferring people to Mars. With limited room, some requirements will be sent in order to board. You must be from the ages of 15 to 45 and have no handicaps or illnesses. With the other spaceship available, 2 of every species of plant and animal will be moved to Mars. Once those people make it to Mars and the new colony has been established, the new leaders will elect to destroy Earth to eliminate the suffering global warming is causing to the remaining people still living there. This solution is the nation's best chance for survival and the only realistic solution for global warming.
No matter what we do, man-made global warming will continue to be a world problem. The use of gasoline, excess livestock production, deforestation, and chemical fertilizers include just some of the causes of man-made global warming. To decrease such causes, We can try to eliminate excess gasoline use by walking, bicycling, or considering the use of an electric car, minimizing livestock production, cutting back on deforestation, and by using organic fertilizers instead of harmful chemical fertilizers. We can only hope that such small measures can reduce the harsh effects that man-made global warming has on our planet.